What's up guys, welcome back to E2H Racing. So in my last video I was talking about projects and the channel delay. Well, I'm here to tell you that our project is here. I have my project today that I'll be working on and showing you guys and doing an overview on my project. And then on Sunday, tomorrow, I am going to be working with my partner on his project. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. I'm not going to reveal everything I'm doing with the project. We really don't have a set in stone on what we want to do, but I can jump into a little bit and show you guys at least what I have and what I'll be working with, and what I kind of want to do with it, the problems it has, and everything like that. So, hope you guys enjoy.
Alright guys, this is my 1991 Ford Ranger. It's a V6 with a 3.0 liter engine. It's a rear-wheel drive only. We're going to check out the front here. The paint's not too great, but I'm not concerned. There is a major crack through the windshield right there. Front end looks good. The rim on this side is gone, or different, because it had a flat. The mirror is missing the glass. It has a rusty rack, which you could just sand and repaint, so that's fine. As we come over to the tailgate, you guys will hear in a second, but it's damaged, so it doesn't make a very pleasant sound. So if you're wary, just beware. As you can hear, that doesn't sound too great, but it was a work truck after all. So we're going to come over to this side and check out the exhaust, which is pretty loose, as you'll see. We're also going to look here, and leaf springs look good, no rust or anything like that. And overall, the paint isn't too bad. Not as bad as I'd expect an old truck like that to be. Then we're going to come over here and look underneath. So underneath here, I'm just concerned about the straightness of the frame, which looks very good. It looks straight, nothing damaged, no rust or anything like that, which is all I need the truck for anyways. Alright, well, now let's take a look inside. Now as we look inside, you'll immediately notice there's a lot of dirt just packed everywhere. It has roll down windows, so no electric windows. The seats are ripped and they're disgusting. I'll have to clean those up. Looking behind here, it's where they stored an oil filter. It's not too bad or anything like that. Speakers work. Coming over inside, we're gonna go ahead and look at the center section, and it's also extremely disgusting. That's broken right there, and I'm gonna need to replace that. Maybe customize my own center section. There's the crack in the windshield. These are the visors, which have seen better days. A Velcro holding on the mirror cover. There's a rear view mirror. The glove box, which is pretty small. Yeah, all those plastic pieces. Alright, now let's start it up. Alright, so as you guys see, you can see right now that the dash is cracked too. After going over with all that, I'm gonna go ahead and start her up. She does start, she does run. She does drive, but not well, and I'll show you what I mean. So we don't have very much fuel. Let's see if it even starts.
That big plume of white smoke just came out the exhaust pipe. Probably has a leak. I don't have very much gas here. You can take a look. The thermostat doesn't work. All the lights work, surprisingly. The radio works. I'm not sure if the AC works or not. I don't really care. This truck has been sitting for a while too, so the gas is probably bad in it. We did put a gallon, but I had to drive it home. Like I said, the lights do work. It's pretty dirty in here. If it idles, I'll go ahead and pop the hood for you. So it is idling right now, but it's sputtering. Alright. Let's go take a look at the engine. You can see all that dirt and grime too. So last night I took the airbox off. I cleaned the throttle body. When I got the vehicle, the coolant was bone dry. There was nothing in the reservoir. I put brake fluid .4 in it last night as well, and it turned that color. It looks like the lines are probably all rusted and bad. It's an automatic. The power steering was whining and it was completely empty. There was oil in it, surprisingly. It was low on trans fluid, about a quart. So I gave it all fluids, and I'm doing this on the cheap though. I'm doing it for cheap. With what I want to do to this truck, I don't need anything in here. The battery is new. I just got the battery. The battery was completely dead. It wouldn't even hold a charge at all trying to jump it. As you can see, these are all rusted on. I could just pull them off. I would need new battery cables too. I cleaned it yesterday. I sprayed it down, but I don't think it really did anything. There's actually washer fluid in there. I can see these are all rusty. Okay, so with all that, let's go ahead and take a look now at the transmission. It could just be there's no gas. So the transmission does not have a reverse. It doesn't have an overdrive. It just has a drive, and I'm pretty sure second and first. But you'll see here, so I'm in park right now. Nothing in reverse. I can rev it, but nothing. Neutral. Drive. There we go. So it's in drive right now, but it kicks really hard going into drive. You're sliding all over the place.
looks like it was okay with first. Stop it. So as you can see, reverse. Nothing. I think that's neutral. And then drive. It didn't do anything that time. That's the second drive, so that's a lower drive. Second. And first. 1, 2, drive. Second drive. Neutral. Reverse. Nothing. So that's what I'm working with. The guy I bought the truck from also gave me a plastic bed, or toolbox, and I have 2 sets of wheels that he gave me. So I have the one on it right now, and then these ones. Those are ones that are on it. These are 17-inch rims. These are, I believe, the 16s. These are 14s. These are the stock rims that come on the Rangers. So that was really nice of him. I got the truck and everything for only $475. So I lucked out with that one. Hopefully I can keep doing this cheap build. I want to do a cheap project truck, but I also want a very good quality one. So I'm probably gonna fork out the money for the quality parts, but I'm gonna have to work more, so not enough time. I'm just gonna have to slowly build this playlist. I still need to know if you guys want just one big video of everything I've done, one big playlist to come out all at once, or if you want me to do it fix by fix or video by video. So let me know in the comments right now. Thanks.